15% of the manufacturers started investing in Industry 4.0 technologies. In next 5 years, this 15% is expected to grow by 65%. MaxByte's industrial IoT SaaS-based analytics products, IoT edge computing products, and implementation services accelerate the manufacturer to adapt Industry 4.0 faster, efficient, and cost-effective.
We help the industries to accelerate their Industry 4.0 journey regardless of where the manufacturers are in their digital transformation roadmap.
Byte Factory is a patent applied SaaS product from MaxByte. Adoption to Byte Factory has proven over 32% improvement in manufacturing process efficiency. It has 1000 plus IoT use case features, which includes production, manufacturing, assembly, quality, related analytics, which gives high impact insights for better operation decision making.
Industrial Control System. It's a hardware product of MaxByte. It's a plug and play device which can connect any types of machines in manufacturing software. It acquires data from any types of sensors through I/O ports and via standard communication protocol send data to cloud or on-premises. ICS is compatible with any platforms like ThingWorx, Microsoft Azure, IBM Watson, etc. It has accessories like customizable HMI for monitoring, biometric for operator authentication, and barcode for product traceability. Or MaxByte Autonomous Navigation Robot Platform. It can be applied for material movement, cleaning, visual inspection, and kiosk.
The factory science is MaxByte's learning solution for Industry 4.0, which provides certificate programs, digital factory learning center setup, and digital capability building solutions to improve the competency in digitization.
Whenever I talk to our manufacturing customers, they seem to be very excited when they hear about MaxByte Industrial Internet of Things products and services. When asked why they seem to be so excited, they said it is because of better connectivity, scalability, cost saving, improved productivity because of our intelligent analytics solution.
We have end-to-end competency in connecting the OT, OT-IT integration, and enabling IT with analytics and augmented reality solutions.
As a Coimbatorian, we started our Indian operations for global delivery and research and development in Industry 4.0 from Coimbatore, which is one of the leading manufacturing and educational hubs of India. We are currently 60 members team with end-to-end Industry 4.0 technologies, starting from sensors and data acquisitions, edge computing, cloud computing, IoT platforms, data science, security, and augmented reality. We are going to be 100 plus people in next 3 to 4 months to develop and deliver more manufacturing intelligence solutions from Coimbatore to worldwide market. Our vision is to empower the manufacturing value chain with intelligent digital solutions which enables disruptive business models.